Coming to Iowa PBS, an intimate portrait of a man once called governor for life.
His name was Robert Ray. He was 35 years old, chairman of the Republican Party in the state of Iowa. For Bob Ray, the issues at San Francisco were clear-cut, and so was his responsibility.
I feel my job here is to represent not just my own views, but those of the others, the people in the party back home who made me a delegate.
A Republican Party stalwart who championed moderation, governance, and humility above all.
When I took office, I decided that we were going to have open government.
Robert D. Ray's journey from Des Moines lawyer to party chairman to longtime governor bridged an era of domestic tensions, foreign wars, political strife, and social upheaval.
Governor Ray was always the diplomat that explained to people what was the art of the possible and what wasn't.
We public officials must be leaders. We must point the way, but at the same time, we must also always keep in mind that we do represent the people and we represent their ideas.
There would be an idea that bubbled up that he thought was pretty good, and he'd put it in his program, and the Democrats didn't know whether to laugh or cry.
Ray's connection with Iowans and public policy forged new chapters for state government.
I don't know what greater calling there could be than to save human lives.
And the headline, I watched people die.
His compassion and earnest promise from Iowa welcomed a new generation of refugees, even in the face of criticism and opposition.
I think we got enough people here to feed ourselves right now.
What we thought of America is the country of full of richness.
If you do things to help others for the right reasons, and we did, then you'll be heavily rewarded, and we were.
Governors of Iowa, Robert Ray, coming to Iowa PBS Fall 2022.